Welcome back to the Deal Leads AI channel. Today I have a couple upgrades you can make to your car if you're looking to sell or just want to overall improve the value of your car. So let's get right into it. Now, starting off with something simple and probably something that a lot of older car users have already done is a headlight restoration. If you're looking to sell and your headlights are looking maybe a little cloudy, maybe a little foggy, and you're not sure how to clean them, it's actually pretty simple. There's plenty of kits that you can buy online or in store at some auto parts store or even a Walmart that will simply clean your headlights with just a little bit of elbow grease. And a lot of them actually come with a drill attachment, so you don't actually have to scrub it all on. These kits work pretty simply. It's usually a compound that does most of the cleaning and then a polish to protect it and make your headlights look even better. Next, I have probably the simplest tip I could give to anybody looking to increase their car value, and that's simply investing into some new floor mats. Whether you have old floor mats or whether you have floor mats that just don't look very great, investing in some WeatherTech floor mats, for example, can greatly increase the interior look of your car and overall value. The next thing I have for you is a little tedious, but honestly is really easy to do, especially in 2024, and that's buying some touch-up paint. These usually come in pens or markers, and all they do is clear up some of the surface scratches and light scratches you have on your car's exterior body paint. And there's plenty of websites to help you find your exact color, such as TouchUp Direct and TouchUp Automotive, and they make it super simple. All you have to do is order it from them, they'll ship it to your house, clean off your car, and just touch up the paint. It's as easy as that. And cleaning surface scratches and small scratches on your car will not only greatly increase value, but honestly will just make your car look a lot more better and well taken care of. Next thing I have for you, and this might seem a little intimidating to some, is doing an engine clean. Now, an engine clean is just using some sort of wash or cleaner to clean off your engine. Engines get pretty dirty with a lot of mud, dirt, and dust building up all over the tops of all the plastics that protect some of the components in your engine. Now, you have to be careful when doing this, as water can't get in all places, and the wash that a lot of people use, which I believe it's called Total Car Wash, isn't great for certain parts such as your alternator. So I recommend looking up a tutorial such as the one behind me right now and just cleaning off your engine. It'll make your car look more taken care of and overall increase its value. Now, finally, I have the last tip for you, and something that's again pretty simple to do and won't break your bank, costing usually anywhere from $10 to $15, and that is tire shine. Tire shine is so easy to use. All you need is a sponge and a bottle of tire shine. You spray your sponge with some tire shine, and all you gotta do is rub it around the tire, and your tires will be glistening like they just came off the lot. It's amazing how much tire shine can actually make your car look newer. So anyways, that wraps up the video today. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you guys have any more questions or maybe even some suggestions for other people, maybe stuff I missed, feel free to comment it down below. And with all that being said, my name is Spiro from Deal Leads, and thank you for watching. I'm out.